Hello YouTube, we are back with another video, and today we are going to be taking some pictures at a natural area called Lake Smith, Lake Lawson. Very confusing name. I don't know if there's like two different lakes, but that's what it's called. I don't know too much about it, but I looked up some pictures online and it seems like it can be cool. I know it has a trail and that's kind of all we need, and it has some lakes, so we can take some pictures of some lakes. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG, that is Dominic_B_photography in the description below, and let's get into the video. As you can see, we are here. There is actually a lot more people than I thought there were going to be. There's actually a bouncy house like over that truck. I don't know if you can see it, that like a lot of kids are bouncing in. Yeah, we're about to get strapped in into my broken chest piece. Don't know how that happened. I'm gonna blame my dog. Yeah, I will see you when we are in POV mode. I don't know what else to call that, but yeah. And we are strapped in. Let's see how this goes. Usually I take my pictures like in the morning, like before the sun rises, or like as the sun is rising, so like I don't get like a really bright sky. But I kind of wanted to do something different today, and I think I could work around this sky being so bright. So we'll see. You know, we always have to take a picture of the trail when we first come in there. Nice little symmetric shot, and taking a picture of the trail when you first get in kind of helps you get the settings right for the rest of the trail. Some bench pictures, kind of look at this. Like a leading line. Or maybe I like this better. Maybe. Yeah. I kind of want to get the bench. Kind of want to get a landscape of the bench. Hopefully you guys can see this. Dang, I don't think I got the leaf falling. Oh, by the way, remember when I said there's probably two different lakes in the beginning of the video? There's definitely two different lakes in the beginning. There's definitely two different lakes. Random boat. Let's do one without the tree first. Now let's do one with the tree. Now let's go a little downward. Oh, it smells so salty. Maybe like cut half of it off. Let's see how that looks. Let's get this tree. Dang it, I don't want the tree in that corner though. See, this picture would have been much easier to take if it was like sunrise. We'll take the picture. I'm not really fond of that picture, but we'll take it anyways. Might as well. Maybe the branch leading into the branch taking out the water, and then that tree in like the upper left. Like, I can't even see the people over there. Got the ISO. Got the ISO. Aperture. In the foreground to create some depth. Or at least close to the middle of it. You know, maybe this might look cool with it in between. Like all the foliage. Like, look how bright it is in here. You know what would really be a challenge for myself? Is taking some pictures, doing some street photography when it's this bright. I don't think I've ever did street photography when it's like in the middle of the day. I just kind of avoid it. But who knows, maybe the shadows would be nice. You know, I should have taken a picture of them, but I was more focused. Their dog was acting crazy and I feel like they didn't want their dog to be on me, so I was more focused on getting out the way so they don't have to worry about their dog. I'm actually very fond of this picture. Ooh, I do like the lighting of this though. Can we get a picture out of it though? Is the question. Let's actually get more of the leaf on the tree and see which one we like. Let's do a landscape, see if we like the landscape. Oh wow, now look at them. They just came out of nowhere. I don't know if you can see them in the picture though. I have a question. Do you guys like seeing the process of me taking the picture, or should I cut to me just taking the picture? Hello. What kind of dog is that?
Getting any good shots?
Yeah, what kind of dog is that?
Half shepherd, half golden retriever.
Ah.
It makes him smarter than me right off the bat. He's a good old Carolina dog. Loves everybody.
Nice. I have a straight Australian pure breed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
He's free.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. He's a half-breed. Nobody wants a half-breed except me.
Yeah.
You know? But he's a good guy. I mean, he's not fixed. He's the calmest guy I've ever had for a dog.
Nice.
Except that little dog that tried to attack him right over there.
Have a good day,
my friend.
I don't know why this picture's so I don't know why that was so dark. I feel like this is my this is like my default picture when I see a bench in a trail. It's just, I don't know, it's nice to have the bench. And then specifically like the landscape. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and fix that. Remember when I was talking about the sun? Yeah. Hold on, let me look right quick to like really see if it's good. Let's actually not have the. Let's do one with just the railing. How does it look with the railing as the focus? Probably stupid, huh? Jeez. Let's get this tree. Yeah, I don't think I want the. Yeah. It's not really doing nothing much for me. Neither is this picture. Maybe something like this, though. Something like this may be cool. Don't worry, guys. When the picture is on the screen, I'm actually using the viewfinder to see if the picture actually looks nice. I'm showing you the picture, then I'm taking probably a better picture with the viewfinder. Let's have a frame within a frame with the tree and the leaves. Let's not even do let's just do this. Yeah. And hopefully you guys can see it. Look at that reflection. I even like the little vine hanging. Look at this grass. Let's have the trees and the grass. The trees in the background to make it even better. Oh, sun's coming out. Oh my gosh. Bro, I kind of want to walk on this, but at the same time, it's like a dang, are you dumb? Am I dumb for wanting to walk on this? I actually really like taking pictures of the like vines, not the roots, I should say. They're not really roots though, are they? Hello.
Did you get my picture?
Oh no, I didn't take a picture.
I was just gonna say share it.
Oh. Honestly, maybe something like this. Or something like this. I don't know if I can see him in my camera though. That's the only thing. And we are back. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG Dominic_B_photography. It will be in the description below. This trail was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I would probably rate it like a 9 out of 10. It's one of the more interesting trails that we've been on. A lot of stuff to photograph, a lot of like trees and fallen trees to photograph. The lake was pretty interesting to photograph, and yeah, overall I liked it. I will see you next video. Tell me how you liked it too in the comments below. All right.